Welcome, from me is a GIGASET GS190, and today I'll show you how to boot the device into recovery mode. And to get started, obviously let's hold the power key and select power off. There we go. Wait for the device to shut down. Now once the device turns off, which will be indicated by the vibration, you want to hold power key and volume up. So there we go, there was the vibration. So like I said, power key, volume up, both of them at the same time. And you will see the boot mode right here. So using only volume up, you want to select the first option, which is recovery mode, and press volume down to confirm that option. Give it a second and this should bring up the Android with no command. So there we go. And to get past this, hold power key, press volume up once, and you will be in the recovery mode. So in here you can use both of the volume keys to navigate, as you can see. And power key will be used to confirm whatever is selected. And you can simply reboot the device from here, reboot to bootloader, which will take us back to where we were. Apply updates from either ATB or SD card, wipe data factory reset, wipe cache partition, mount system, view logs, run tests, and simply power off the device. And like I said, whatever you select, you will then confirm that with power key. Now, because I want to leave this mode, I'm going to stick with the reboot system now, and this will take me back to Android. And there we go, as you can see, we're now back in Android. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.